grave. In terms of exhuming the grave for a particular exceptions, you find that the Shia and the Maliki school allow it. In terms of opening the grave, these exceptions can be given by the ruling authorities for a particular reason. I remember there was a group that had come from Kuwait. They had come for ziyarah of Amir al-Mu'mineen alayhi salam. One of them, their sister, died. When she died, you found that they had to perform the salah and salat al-mariyat and the burial, where they had to perform it in Wadi Salam. Wadi Salam, may Allah bless all of us to visit Wadi Salam, that graveyard in the vicinity of Amir al-Mu'mineen, salawatullah wa salamu alayhi, where people talk of the souls which go to Wadi Barhut and Wadi Salam, which we'll come to when discussing the world of Barzakh. You found that this person buried his sister because there was a number of people at the janazah from the group. While they were burying his sister, he had gone down in the grave. When he had left, he realized that his passport had fallen where? In the grave. Went to see Ayatollah al-Khoi. May Allah bless his soul. When he went to see Ayatollah al-Khoi, he said to him, Maulana, I buried the dead like the religion of Islam taught me. We did everything, the ghusl, the kafan, the shrouding, the washing, everything was done. Salat al-Mayyit was done. But Maulana, I've just realized that my passport has fallen within the grave. Can an exception be given where I can ask those within the graveyard to go and undertake literally the task of getting that passport? He said, yes, go with them, there's exception, but please make sure they don't open it up entirely. He says, I went there. And he says, when I went there, I began to realize that as they were opening it, I saw the passport, but I had seen that what I thought would be a kafan on or a shroud on my sister's body was no longer there. I did not want to see anymore. I straight away took the passport. They covered the grave. I went back to Ayatollah al-Khoi. I said to him, Maulana, this happened, that my sister only just got buried. I came to you, came to your office, and it was an exception that you allowed me to get my passport, Maulana. But now I realize something. I realized that that kafan was no longer there, Maulana. And we only buried her a few hours back. And he says, Ayatollah al-Khoi put his head on the ground, towards the ground. And then he looked towards me. And he said that sometimes these things happen. He said, Maulana, what do you mean? He said that there is a moment when the angels, that after you've just died, they look towards you and say, oh, you who did not cover herself above the ground, why now be concerned about the cover below the ground? When we look at some of these, like the shrouding, I cover myself as I'm about to enter the grave. Why not cover myself before I get to the grave?